Welcome to another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. I hope you are having a great day. And as I was thinking about these episodes, I realized that I probably should have done an episode about what Kajabi is much earlier, like in the beginning. And it's usually better late than never. So I thought I would do it right now, and it's there for people who want to hear it. So, what is Kajabi? Well, Kajabi is an all in one platform designed to help people take their creative knowledge and skills and expertise online and start a business. It tries to cover all of the big tools that anybody would need to do that. And so let's, just jump right into what those are. First, Kajabi started by being really good at offering digital courses. That's what their focus was. That's where they made their mark in the industry. And for the last 15 years, they've been doing awesome at continually improving and adapting that that product to the industry needs. And so Kajabi is really good at delivering a great experience for not just you, but for your customers in online courses. And it's not just online courses, but they have a community, coaching, courses, and podcast, and then all sorts of different things like newsletters and offering downloads and things like that, as far as products that you can use to reach your audience. Aside from delivering those products, they offer payment processing and websites, landing pages, funnels. They have events. They've got email marketing. Kajabi is a full feature email marketing platform, similar to anything that you would need out of something like ConvertKit or Flowdesk or MailChimp. Kajabi covers all of your email marketing needs, and that's a huge product in and of itself. They also have assessments and quizzes that you can use to interact and certificates that you can issue. They've got loads of automations tying everything together and giving you the ability to really interact quite specifically and targetedly to your audience. And they have a CRM to keep track of all of your customers, all of your potential customers, and interact with that and analytics. So they really try to cover everything. They've got apps that you can use, that your people can use to get your stuff. And they do a great job with just about all of these things. So it's really awesome. Kajabi is a very innovative and adaptive company. I've been using them for the last 4 years, and they have implemented so many new changes and so many different things in these last 4 years. It's just so much more now than it was when I signed up, which is pretty cool. Kajabi as a company is also really great to work with. They care, they pay attention, they change and adapt and develop. And they're just really good. If you need something, they're there to help you. So it's a great company, in my opinion. And that's kind of what Kajabi is. If you are, say, a guitar teacher and you want to start teaching digitally and reach more people, it's going to give you everything you need to start that. You aren't going to have to piece together all sorts of different softwares or things like that, but it's just got it all, and so that makes it a lot easier to learn and to manage. So that is Kajabi in a couple minutes. And if you've been listening to this podcast, you know that I talk about a piece of Kajabi every episode. And so stay tuned for more, awesome pieces of Kajabi. And that's what I'll bring you. And if you have anything that, I'm not talking about that you want to hear, well, let me know and I'll make an episode about that. So stay tuned for the next one.